Now that you have used Clearshield to transform your shower glass into a non-stick, easy to clean surface, it is important to follow a couple of steps. After showering, adjust your shower head flow to resemble a hose and hold the nozzle against the glass to allow the weight of the water to push the residue off the shower and leave you with totally dry glass. If you can't adjust your shower head, there may be a small amount of droplets left over. Remove these with a dry cloth. Over time, you may have droplets that are not running off. This means the water has been left on the glass for too long. Apply the lime scale remover with the supplied pad and rinse off thoroughly. The droplets will no longer sit on that area and the water will flow freely. Another acceptable method would be to squeegee dry the glass after you shower. Then once a fortnight, apply and agitate lime scale remover to the entire surface with the pads supplied. Then rinse off thoroughly and squeegee dry. By following these steps, this will ensure and guarantee a service life of up to 10 years for your shower glass. Once you have run out of your initial shower maintenance products, you can purchase more by hitting the shop button at the top of our website.